Okay, welcome in this new video. I'm very happy to be here with you. Me and our channel are going to share with you the complexities of Kirundi. It's very important that you understand that in this video. We will see today GUFASHA, GUFASHIRIZA, GUFASHISHA. We will see a lot of things about that, what you need to understand and how you can pronounce and how you can speak better Kirundi.
Afin d'apprendre le Kirundi, le KINYARWANDA, le swahili, rends-toi sur notre plateforme audikaribu.com. Imani Shobora vyose.
Let's start with the first example with GUFASHA. The first thing I will introduce this with an example. I'll let you with the trainer.
Namahoro, ndababaze, mwoshobora kumfasha amazi yo kunywa? Mwoba mukoze. Murakoze, nari nyotewe. Sawa, musigara mahoro.
Okay, in this first example, you see that it's a person. Person one. Person one is what it was. The person was speaking. It's like me, like I come and I said to the other person to give me water because I was needed it. I once needed it. In the definition, I said is to give something to another person who cannot give in himself. Me, yes, I said umfashi. Oshora kumfasha amazi yokun. This is the first part. Yes, I think it's easy to understand. It's like in English, it's to help. But the two other forms that we will see after, you will see that you cannot use this form in another case. And it's what I want to introduce to yourself about that. It's very important to understand that.
Mfashiriza uyu muntu umukorere iki giseke ku mutwe, jewe ntacyo nshoboye kiraremereye. Urakoze cyane.
Okay, in this other example, you see something else. Mfashiriza uyu muntu. It's very important to say it's not the same like GUFASHA in the first case. And in this case, the first definition is like it's right there, is to do something. It's important to understand is to do something, to do something to another one, to do it for another one. In example, you see that it was me in blue. I go to the person one and I said to help the person three. It's not to help me, but it's the person three. And I said also, it's something that me, I cannot do it. I said I cannot do it because it's too heavy for me. It's something that I can do it, but you will help me to do that for other person. And in this case, you use Fashiriza Oyomon. And in this case, you cannot use GUFASHA. If I said something umfashe, is to help me. Umufashe is not the same meaning of GUFASHIRIZA. Is that why you need to understand this case? In the example, you can understand why, and also in the definition, you understand it's something that you do. It's important. Gukora, kugikora, to do something that I cannot do it. Another will do something that me, I cannot do it. And when you use this kind of sentences, people will see, this you speak a good Kirundi. That's why this concept is very important. And it's important because in the last concept, sometimes people can make mistake between the GUFASHIRIZA and GUFASHISHA. It's very important to go in the end of the video to understand the last one and to understand the example, to memorize by head the example.
Uyu muntu arashonje cyane. Mufashishe ivyo afungura, jewe ntavyo mfise. Urakoze kumuha ivyo afungura. Urakoze cyane.
Okay, the last one. The last one is very important to understand. First, the definition is to give. To give. In the first time is to do something. Here is to give something to another guys. Because me, I don't have. I can give him because I don't have. It's already three people. An example I put in blue me, and person one in red. And yes, the person three want to have something to eat. Uyu muntu arashonje cyane. Mufashije ivyo afungura, jewe ntacyo mfise. What you need to understand here is me that I ask him to help him to do something. It's not to give something. It's not to do something, it's to give something to another. And then I don't have something to give him. He took something. I saw that he was with something to give. He took an hamburger and he gave to the other guys. That is the difference. As exercise, you can do also sentences with each word to see what you understand. Also, in other video, we will see other things about kubariza. You will see a lot of video like that we will do, and you will understand that there is a lot of things to study in Kirundi, and it's important to do some formation with us. And we will help you to succeed and to speak the language. Okay, we will see in another video. If question, don't hesitate to ask to us. Thank you.
Afin d'apprendre le Kirundi, le KINYARWANDA, le swahili, rends-toi sur notre plateforme audi-karibu.com. Imani Shobora Vyose.